Hi everyone, Namaste all. Welcome to ServiceNow-INDIA. Today we are here to learn a use case where if caller is VIP, then give an alert message to the customer. Like we need to configure in this client script for using the glide form methods. And let's go to the filter navigator and type client scripts. Under system definition, we have the client scripts. And click on new button to create a new client script on this requirement. And provide the name for what you want to require, like uh, alerting for VIP caller. Okay, and select the table where you want to apply this client script. I just select as incident and select the UI type as all, and type of client script is on change. When user changes the caller value, then this client script should populate or execute in the backend. And application scope is global, active is true, and we haven't selected inherited because I don't want to execute this for the child tables. And global is nothing but it has to apply for the default view, not for the separate view. And if you go for the script part, let's type here. Let's expand this by using this toggle screen and just enter this script here, like var, just declare a variable, like I just mention as var caller name equal to g underscore form dot get reference. In the bracket, we need to mention the column name of the caller, like it is caller underscore id in the incident form. And then we need to mention if to check whether this is true or not, like caller, that we need to use the dot walk here, caller dot vip compare with the true value, because vip column is an true or false data type. Okay, data type column. And here we need to mention the alert message, alert bracket open, caller is VIP. Okay, and you can also mention directly else here for the customers who are not, like for the clients who are not the VIP customers. Okay, else don't open the braces for the single conditions. I'm just going for to a education purpose. Alert double quotation starts, caller is not VIP. Okay, then toggle this for the full screen. Just save this record, and we have done with the script. Like check once with the script. We have just given the caller name and just go with this caller name dot vip equal to true. And then we have alert with caller is VIP and caller is not VIP if the if and else part. Save the script and just go to the filter navigator, type incident dot form. It will open in the form view. Like select any other caller which is already there, like which is already VIP customer or VIP caller. Select Kiran Kumar and you can see the caller is VIP. If you click on OK, then this will apply on the caller form. Let's remove this caller value and click on this reference icon and select any user. And you can see this caller is not VIP. If you click on OK, then it will be displayed in the caller form, like in the caller column. Okay. Yeah. I thought it's an easy format to understand. Thanks for your time. Jai Hind.